I said I just plowed that fucking one. Where the hell did the truck get? Oh,
y'all slow. Nah, see y'all. Hey, I had a bullet. Oh wow, I don't have bulletproof tires on this truck. Well, I just spun down that mountain so dang fast. I ain't got bulletproof tires cause I'm broke.
Where?
Ooh. Oh. Hey, I have to go get bulletproof tires real quick. I'll be back.
Yeah, I gotta go get them too.
I'm running on, like, I don't have no right tires. I blew my right tires. Well, actually,
I've got one on each side.
See, you can control the vehicle whenever you have one back and one front, but if you lose two back, you're not going nowhere. And if you, like you're gonna spin out, and if you lose two fronts, then you're gonna then you can't turn worth anything. Did you swallow? I don't know, do you?
I was waiting on Rick.
Bro, why are there two different Crown Vics in this game? Red, there are two different Crown Vics in this game.
Call the cops off of us.
No, that's a Ford. It's made by Vapid, so it's a Ford, ain't no Tundra.
One back tire and one front tire.
Oh, this cup was drifted around this corner so clean. I'm driving back to town to get bulletproofs, and I'm missing two tires, and I'm sparking up a storm. No wait, Rockstars have it so that if you run on rims for too long, the engine overheats and it catches fire. Didn't even know how sick that would be.
On dirt.
No, and it happens on dirt too, but just slower. Oh my. Bro, these cops won't get off my back. I want the cop at the back.
I'm so glad I hit that.
Where are you? This cop just told me, if you don't want to end up dead, stop the vehicle. Lester!
Kinda ended up flying in there. I'm like that.
Courtney Lester, the molester.
Yeah, if it isn't my creepy silent friend. How can I help? Okay, my friend. I'll take care of the LSPD. Leave it to me.
Do what?
What the? Why are you telling that? Bruh, this black truck that I got, this thing freaking... You can't have a squatted Prius.
Oh, that fucker. Where the fuck is
Oh, my freaking arm killing me.
I know I was close. It's just...
Alright, so I have two blown tires, scratches up the right side of my truck and left side, a busted back left tail light, no windows, the whole front end is smashed in, and it all gets fixed for $570. Bro, what fucking world am I living in? Fixed.
Better than when she came in, that's for sure.
See, no, that Austin is a faggot. Wheels.
Brakes.
Tires, tire design, custom tires, tire enhancements, bulletproof. Those are nice. Oh God, what is that? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh no! 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 Oh no! truck. this dude started shooting. Oh, that was you guys. I don't know who that was. Boy, get that weak shit out of here, boy.
See, Melton got the truck over on.
Oh! I'm burning them down. No, it's my custom Dodge Ram. No, the Bravado Bison. And it's gonna be burning them down, son. Boy. Look at that bumper you got on that thing. Holy crap. Oh.
Yeah, you're probably about to die.
Oh. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Also must not be on. Oh, yeah, yes.
I hope you didn't see that. Hey, let's do some street drifting.
Oh shit.
I was getting sliding in the DMs. Oh!
Confused.
Did you want me to bust up my Guardian? Oh! I just hit the wall.
That's it.
Black with blue pearlescent.
Oh, you.
Damn. I have a contender too. Oh! Oh! I just got this. Oh shit! The Japanese ones are. Hey, get off my wham! You cannot burn them down like my wham.
I got some that'll bust that thing's ass, and it's older than that bitch.
Nigga, this thing be burning them down, son. I don't know. I do not know what you're on, son.
Yeah, try that blade one time.
I'm talking about trucks over here, son. So we all just want to get all of these tundras. Alright guys, alright, watch this.
Use half the staircase.
Slide into them DMs like, hey bae. Oh!
You lucky.
You your daddy's. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna go get my tundra. Then every. Oh! Oh, yep, I flipped it. I flipped it. That almost was clean.
Alright, here you go.
Alright, here. I'm getting mine. Wait, what color is your truck?
Crew color.
Dude, my truck is black with a blue pearlescent. Oh, I got 2 shots in my arm there. Wait, now how do I get in the square elevator to get my office garage? But yet the elevator is a circle when I get up here. This something ain't right. Bro, why they gonna call this a vapid container? They should have called this the freaking Dinka. They don't. Well, I wouldn't call this the vapid contender, cause it don't look nothing like what something Ford would make. This looks like a freaking straight 2006 Toyota Tundra.
Open my doors.
Slide into MD. Hey! Hey! Oh!
What brings you in today?
Alright, so what are we modding these things to look like?
Should be running better than ever.
I slide into them DMs 101. This thing had no upgrades in it.
What's up? I'm in here doing a burnout right now.
They can do a burnout in here.
And you bought it.
Hey, Rhett.
Why do I put neon in on all my colors? I mean, on all my colors. Why? What was that? Yup, man. Oh. Hey, ho back. Hey!
Everybody else is fixed, not decent looking. Nope, not mine.
The truck machine. I just paid $600 to get that fixed, and then this little ham. Oh my god! Why? Oh, that went your fender. The Los Angeles custom machine, bro. Oh my god. Why? Fuck you. Can we please do missions? No, height, no, yeah, missions. No missions. I said I wanted to get high. Learn, you retard.
Melt and stay the fuck over there.
I'm calling my car in that y'all blew up because y'all some bitches.
Oh.
I was in the middle of modding it.
Where is Red? I'm having all types of issues over here.
Yo, that freaking RAM that I have, that's me burning them down though, son. I can't call any of my cars and thanks to y'all. Y'all some bitches. Squat. Uh, hashtag squatted Z71. All hippies are dirty and ugly. They're all covered in fleas. We should hang them from. If somebody say jump it, oh, I'm good at that. Oh!
Of course. Yes, I'm just fucking.
Where are you guys? Wait, are you guys underground? Are you for real? This show underground. Send it. Send it. And then. What lights? Hey, check your check engine light. I want the child back to back, but I'm still in no. There, to the man for restart. Can't stop the feeling. Oh damn. I'm gonna get it right back. 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 I'm gonna turn my mic down.
I got wedged in there. Oh. You got wedged too.
Whoa! Wow! 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 There was a freaking.
Oh, oh.
Oh. Okay. Apparently there was. Apparently when I hit Austin, I hit a gas tank.
Okay.
I make this. Light. Light. That was a freak accident.
Do what? Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Right.
you made a rhyme. That was pretty fine. Austin didn't know it, but he was a poet.
Damn it, Rhett. I was trying to shoot him.
Come on, let's
Dog ain't got no way.
do some more Rex rampages.
Just,
Our
I gotta call
fucking-
insurance.
Oh! Oh! Alright, look at this citrus right here.
Oh my god.
Oh! Oh my god, why you do that?
I tried. mine up on yours.
Oh! Hey, right to that street. Brett, why? You're a faggot. You Rhett's going on a rampage again. Hey! Oh. You know, he just asking for whatever's about to happen to you. No, you're not. First of all, yeah, rank 107 to rank 362, so check your numbers, son. Or you should go there. Wow. Wow.
What in the fuck did you do?
I had no ammo. I'm broke. I'm broke. I'm broke in this game. I'm broke.
Not me, I'm getting the fuck out of Dodge.
Yeah. Did you say DEED did? Should have working on the K again. Hey Rec, guess what? Reminder, stop. Where'd you go?
Yep, I'm about to die. Oh, maybe not.
You're gone and I gotta eat all the time to keep you on my mind. Roo, I spend my days baking pies, trying not to get high all the time. You're gone and I gotta eat all the time to keep you off my mind. Whoa, I spend my days in the kitchen cracking eggs, adding brown sugar, flour, and fruit pies. Percocets, Molly Percocets, Parkinson's, Molly Parkinson's, Parkinson's, Molly Parkinson's. What? Mask off, but the whole song is just Molly Percocets. Percocets. Molly Percocets. Percocets. Molly Percocets.
Hold on.
Oh, can I find a big plane? I want to find a big plane.
I'm trying to put my clothes on the dryer. Yep, he's getting me.
Oh, I get to find a big plane. Oh, that's a big plane. That's a big plane. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're
solving a little work dispute. Only our disagreement resolution involves cargo planes, motorbikes,
There's
and
helicopters.
armored trucks. No one knows this facility like me.
Oh,
Believe
my
me,
wings
the
went up.
only way in
Dead.
is
I'm dead.
to
I'm
be
dead.
out quick.
Yup, that happened. Oh my gosh. Here, sorry. How you fly that? I know.
Yeah.
It wasn't. That was. True value, rub your home when you log on. Homebody.com. Now, now, pow. Bitch, you blocked me. Bitch, you give me the block. You get shot with the block. XXXX chromosomes. Well, I flew backwards. Well, hey, I'm gonna try to fly it. Wasn't it when like going like upside down? Oh no, yep. Wait, for real? Whole triangle? How are we going to destroy mobile command centers? We need to destroy the mobile command centers.
How the fuck do you shoot?
No, triangle. Are y'all blowing up the mobile command centers?
Is that not what it tells you to do?
Are y'all doing it? Guys, look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
See it? That was a decoy. The real truck's on the move. Don't let them pull this off.
Can I get off the bike? I can't. What did you just call me? Oh no. Oh no. Yup. Rip. Yup, that's a rip. Guys, my oppressor got destroyed. Wait, where's my new oppressor? Hey game, I'm gonna need that oppressor. Bruh, it didn't even spawn nearby. I'm about to die.
Wonderful.
Well, good thing I have a rocket car. Can't use personal vehicles.
What'd you say, Austin?
Hey, can one of y'all pick me up? Because I destroyed my...
Just stay alive.
Wow, it spawned on the other side of the freaking,
Target is down. The target.
Well, I have to swim across the mile.
Lose the local law enforcement and bring the bikes in.